Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can install FireStick app on your Amazon FireStick device. This application will save your time. You can download any app by using a short code. This is very useful and a simple step-by-step video for every FireStick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press a remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then click on it. Now here you can scroll across and find my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on it. Then open developer option. Then turn on apps from unsource. Turn on. Now click on remote home button. Then click on search icon and type your downloader. Then click on downloader to search downloader. And here open downloader app. Now click on download button. After downloading downloader, then click on open button. Allow and OK. After opening downloader, then here as you can see the search box, then click on search box and type your link. So the link is firesticklab.com/filelinked.apk. After type link, then click on go button. Then downloading will be started. After downloading Filelinked, then click on down install button. Filelinked has been installed. After installing Filelinked, then delete APK file. Now click on remote home button. And again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Then click on apps. And here as you can see all FireStick applications. So I'm opening a Filelinked, which one I installed. Here you can type our code. So the code is 745138484. and click on next button. Continue. Here as you can see all FireStick applications like Cinema HD APK, TV Zone, Kodi. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.